بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد. This is our walkthrough of Resource 18, the quiz that goes along with Lesson 18 from our Ajrumiyyah course in Basic Arabic Grammar. At this point, you've studied Lesson 18, you've reviewed it, and you've prepared yourself for the quiz, and you've taken that quiz, and you've reviewed your answers in the answer key. At this time, we'll go over those questions and answers together. Resource 18, on page number 123 of our Ajrumiyyah workbooks. أسئلة مراجعة من الدرس الثامن عشر. Review questions that go along with Lesson 18. السؤال الأول. The first question. قال المؤلف رحمه الله, the author, may Allah have mercy on him, stated, وأما الياء فتكون علامة للنصب في التثنية والجمع. فما مقصوده من التثنية? What did the author mean when he said tethniya in one of the two cases where a ya, the letter ya, is the sign of a word being mansub? What is the intended tethniya there? A. Tethniyatul af'al, verbs for two people. B. Tethniyatul asma'i, dual plural nouns. C. Tethniyatul asma'i wal af'ali, as both nouns and verbs in dual plural forms. Or D. Tethniyatul asma'i wal af'ali wal hurufi, all dual plural items of nouns, verbs, and even huruf. So this is a departure from our norm, huh? The first question is not easy and direct. The first question actually requires you to understand the intent of the author. And so, as discussed in class, the kind of tethniya intended by the author in his statement here is tethniyatul asma'i, that is, dual plural nouns, not verbs. And of course, huruf, there is no such thing as a dual plural harf. So B is the correct answer. السؤال الثاني, the second question. قال المؤلف رحمه الله, the author stated, may Allah have mercy on him, وأما الياء فتكون علامة للنصب في التثنية والجمع. فما مقصوده من الجمع? The same statement of the author. What did he intend with the word al-jam'? Plurals. What kind of plurals? A. Jam'u taksir, broken plurals or irregular plural nouns. B. Jam'u al-mudhakkar al-salim, regular masculine plurals. C. Jam'u al-mu'annath al-salimi, regular feminine plurals. Or D. Jam'u taksiri wa jam'u al-mudhakkar al-salimi, both broken plurals, irregular plurals, and regular masculine plurals. And as we discussed in class, and as is clear from the lesson, the intended jam' is jam' al-mudhakkar as-salim. Therefore, answer choice B is what is correct. The ya is a sign of mansub, like in the word al-muslimun, ra'aytu al-muslimin. The ya is the thing that changed from a waw into a ya. Therefore, it is the sign of its i'rab. It's the sign of that word being mansub. السؤال الثالث, our third question. أعرب البحرين كما في قوله تعالى مرج البحرين يلتقيان. What is the i'rab of the word al-bahraini in the verse from Surah Ar-Rahman? And this is a verse that we actually discussed in class. A. اسم منصوب علامة نصبه الكسرة. B. اسم منصوب علامة نصبه الياء نيابة عن الفتحة. C. اسم مرفوع علامة رفعه الياء نيابة عن الضمة. Or D. اسم منصوب علامة نصبه السكون. Okay, so let's get rid of C, because we know that's not an ism marfu'. Al-Bahrani would be marfu' with an alif. This is Al-Bahraini. And we can also eliminate answer choice D, because sukun is not a sign of something being mansub, nor is there a sukun in the verse that we could even think would be the sign of a word being mansub. So we're left with answer choices A or B, which both agree that Al-Bahrain is an ism mansub, but what is its sign of being mansub? Is it the kasra or is it the ya? And of course, according to today's lesson, according to lesson number 18, the ya is the sign of the mansub case here, so B is the correct answer. اسم منصوب علامة نصبه الياء نيابة عن الفتحة. As for answer choice A, which has the kasra being the sign of al-Bahraini being mansub, well, that kasra, as discussed, is the same in marfu', mansub, or makhfud case. We have Bahrani, Bahraini. That kasra is always there on that noon. It's a constant, it doesn't change, so it cannot be the sign of its i'rab. السؤال الرابع اختر ما فيه اسم منصوب علامة نصبه الياء. Choose from the following verses that which has a noun in it which is mansub with a ya as its sign of being mansub. And so we're looking for, as you should know at this point, either an ism muthanna or a jam' mudhakkar salim. Answer choice A, بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان, from Surah Ar-Rahman. B, وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها, from Surah Zalzala. C, ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد, from Surah Al-Fajr. Or D, إن المتقين في ظلال وعيون. It says Surah Al-Baqarah there, but of course that is a mistake. That verse is from Surah Al-Mursalat. Now, in these verses we only have the word muttaqin as a jam' mudhakkar salim. We don't have any other example of a jam' mudhakkar salim or a muthanna. So then D must be the correct answer. إن المتقين في ظلال وعيون. So al-muttaqin was changed from al-muttaqun. The ya is the sign of it being mansub. We have an inna that comes in the beginning, making that noun mansub. Inna al-muttaqina. The ya is its sign of being mansub. السؤال الخامس والأخير. The fifth and final question. استخرج من الآيتين كل اسم منصوب. Extract from these two verses every mansub noun. وإن عليكم لحافظين كراما كاتبين, from Surah Al-Infitar. So we have three answers that we should have extracted. لحافظين is a jam' mudhakkar salim and it's mansub. Kiraman is a jam'u taksir, and it's mansub. And katibin is a jam' mudhakkar salim, and it is mansub. Those are our three answers. Lahafidhin, kiraman, and katibin. I hope you did well with this activity, and I hope you've been doing well in general. Review your lessons and get ready for lesson number 19, insha'Allah. May Allah tabarak wa ta'ala give you success. Wa salli Allahumma wa sallim wa barik ala nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in.